हेलो सर।
Trainings. I'm waiting for the PRP update from, when I'm supposed to test.
Yeah, good evening, guys. Just 1 minute, I'm starting. Okay, guys. So good evening, sir. Let's begin the session here. So based on this, I'm going ahead with the process, as you know already, everyone. So okay, so I'll just brush it up once fastly before we move forward on this. Guys, everyone, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, we are going ahead with the incremental loading, where the specification says the Azure SQL database, where you have the source table as the course, and wherein you have the course details. Okay, I have took the same example what okay we are taking for the institute, and we are using what sync data storage is the Azure SQL database, where I wanted to create what's it ST under course, and basically you have two type of loadings. As you know, the first one is the full load and the second one is the delta load or the incremental load, wherein guys, delta load or the incremental load. So what happens here? Full load means the number of all records are uploaded into the sync system for the first time. Second time, when only okay multiple records, whatever that means, it is a process of that is nothing but basically this is a process where you receive the data on a continuous basis. So as soon as you receive the data, that should be updated to the sync system. So it can be date wise, guys. It can be date wise and it can be processed value wise. So date wise means what? Last processing date you can say, and last processing value you can say. Both are the different the scenarios what we can use it here. Okay, but I'll show you one scenario, and the next one you can try out on the basically that is incremental load based on the date here. Date based incremental loading. What is that? Date based incremental loading, that is you can say last processing date. Based on that date you can do it. So the only thing what you require to do is, instead of the course ID, simply you require to give the date here, course date. Give the course date, just add some dates here, and based on that date you can just increment the process. That will be an exercise. Okay, you do it by yourself. Okay, guys. Or if you face any issue in that, I'll again show you in the session. Okay, so that's it, guys. So whatever the loading process is being taken place here, so that we are going to store it in a table called bookmark table or the watermark table, guys. Everyone, bookmark table or the watermark table, wherein we have what is it? Initially you have the course value will be, that is last process value will be 0, because there will be no records into the sync system. As soon as the records are loaded, it will change from 0 to whatever the value you have it. That is 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, whatever it may be. So guys, likewise, multiple tables you can try out. Okay. And now guys, here, as per the, the specifications, and as per the, this one, I'm creating that first table here, guys. What is that? This is nothing but the procedure. The first step is inserting the rows, creating the table. So here I'm using what? Creating the codes table, guys, as it is. And then I'm creating the watermark table. Then I'm writing the stored procedure, where the stored procedure will update your watermark table. That is nothing but based on the processing value. That's it. Okay, now guys, first of all, I'll create the source and sync system. So I'm going ahead to the practicals now. So hope everyone is able to see the screen. Yes, guys. So I'm using the source and sync, everyone. Are you there, guys? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm creating the, first of all, resource group as it is. I'll create the resource group here, guys. And the resource group name is nothing but you can say, click on the create tab and select the subscription you have it. So I'm using incremental loading RG. That's it, guys. Click on the review and click on the create tab. That's it. This is ready, guys. So just go to the resource group. This is fine. And now say source is what? Azure SQL database. So I'm creating the Azure SQL database, guys, everyone. So click on the create, everyone. Create tab. That is, I'm creating the Azure SQL database. And here, simply we require to select the resource group. So resource group is already, we have created it. And database name, I'm using the source DB, guys, everyone. The source database, and defining the server here. And the server name is what? The Cloud Innovatives. The Cloud Innovative server. So the server can is here. It's ready now. So anyways, this is not being supported on this. So I will change the data center here. That should come down. And guys, what does it says? Access to the server selected region. Okay. Asia Pacific, Europe North. See here. Is this fine? Yes, this is fine. Okay. So no problem, guys. Again, use the SQL authentication. And now I'm using the authentication as Samir admin, and the password, I'm using the regular routine password, what we use it here. That's it, guys. This is ready now. So the password is ready. Everyone based on this. So just come down and select the, by default, it is taking up a hyperscale, but I don't want this much high configuration where it will cost much, because mine is a paid, pay as you go model. So I'm using the D2 based purchasing model with less demanding workloads. That is 2 GB data it's occupy. So let it be as it is, and click on the networking tab, guys. Allow the public endpoints and allow the firewall settings. So now here, everyone, the source is perfectly ready. Everyone, okay, guys? The source is perfectly ready. So guys, click on the review. Yeah, everyone, click on the review and then click on what? Create. Create, everyone. Yeah, clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So the next one, I'm creating the target. Anyways, let it create first the source. Meanwhile, I'll create the, guys, I'll, can you share? Guys, everyone, I'm creating the, I'm starting the data factory. Click on the create, guys. Select the resource group as it is. And now I'm using instance. Instance, what should I want? Tell me now. Yes, guys.
Incremental loading.
So I'm using in instance incremental.
Loading.
Okay. So I'm using the session here. That's it. Okay, everyone. So use it here. Click on the review and create it. That's it, guys. Click on the create. That's it, guys. So now, anyways, the source is being prepared. So meanwhile, can you see here? The session is ready. That's it, guys. Okay. That's it now. So let the source create. The source is being, okay, it's preparing, guys. Just a minute. So anyways, so guys, what should we have it? Go to the resource. Okay. Now launch the studio. Okay. So let's prepare this, everyone. Let it be as it is, guys. So the source is ready, everyone. So now, guys, I'll create the, there is nothing but the target here. How to make out the target, guys, everyone? Huh? Guys, the source is ready. So now, what is the method for opening the target, guys? Tell me now. That means I want to create on the same server. So if you want to create it on the same server, then no problem. So I'm using it here. Just open this database again in a separate browser. And now can share. Under the same server, I'm creating it. So just click on the server name, guys, and click on the create. That's it, guys, everyone. So I'm creating, everything is fine, can you see? I'm using the database as what? Target DB. Okay, everyone. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Target DB. So hyperscale, just you require to change it here. So select the basic less demanding workloads because you just save the cost, nothing else. Okay. Click on the networking tab, allow the firewall settings, click on the review and create it, guys. So now here you have said the source database is ready, guys. So click on the query editor here, everyone, and enter the password. The source is ready. So meanwhile, it creates the target, guys. The source is ready here. Anyways, the source is ready to deploy. So guys, as it is the code, I'll create it here. Okay. So I'm creating this table here, guys, everyone. So I'm just using it as it is. Copy this and just paste it here. So just run this, guys. You want to run this all. So just check it. If you get any error, we'll rectify it. No problem. Okay. So guys, anyways, this nothing but the source table is ready. Or what is the next thing you have it, guys, everyone? I'm creating the watermark table. So here I'm just creating the watermark table, everyone, copying the code from here. That's the reason why I wrote it. So I'll write it here. So watermark table. That's it, guys. So I'm just using it. So let's try to run this one. If you get any error, we'll see. What is the error? Watermark used in a create a table now. First of all, you have to use create a table. Create table watermark. Now it's fine. What is it? Tell me now. Insert into
Values.
it is values, not value. So run this. Fine, guys. So here what I will do is I'll write the select command here. Select star from course. Run this. Can you see here? 3. And select the star from watermark. Run this. 0. LPV is 0. Okay, guys. So the next one. Yes, guys. And now create the, everyone, create the same procedure. So I'm using it. Just I'm using the same code, guys, everyone. So create the SP. Up create stored procedure. So I'm using, okay. That's it, guys. So can you share I'm using WhatsApp? So let's run this and see if any error you have it, then we'll rectify it. Okay. Successfully run, guys, everyone. Hello?
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
So finally, this is ready. So now, guys, the target database is also might be ready here. So this is the target database where I require to everyone. Target database is a database where I require to create the things. So all the effect of this and final destination for the whole process is the target database. Okay, guys. So the source is ready and the target is ready. And then you have what's it, guys? Everyone, tell me now. Everyone. So what's the next process? You have data factory. So just click on this. What is the first process you have to do in data factory, guys? Everyone?
Link service.
Link services are mandatory. So click on this and now create it. So guys, everyone, I'm using it what? SQL DB.
Well,
Select the Azure SQL database, guys, everyone. So here using it, can you see it? I'm using it ls underscore SQL DB underscore SQL DB underscore source. Can you tell now, guys? The another question from my end. So can you create only one linked service which can be used for both? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Of course, we can do that. So what is the process for that, everyone?
Parameterized.
Very good. So you have to create a parameter. So now you can apply your own logic, guys. No one, okay, here you have it. Okay, no issues, you can do it, guys. Okay. So as per your convenience, you can do it. Okay. So now I'm using it, guys, everyone. So use it here, legacy. So
Sorry, sir, wasn't able to hear you properly. What did you said about parameters?
you can create a link service parameter. No? That's what. Because both are databases, na everyone. Both are databases. So we instead of creating two linked service, you can also wind up the process by creating one single link service with a parameter. That will also work. Okay. Yes, guys, that's the only thing I mean to tell you. Okay. Yes, please. Now, did you hear everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So that's it
Yes, sir.
now. Okay. So now, okay. So that's it now for the day. Sorry. I mean to say, okay, guys. So let's do it here. Select the same SQLDB source. And now, guys, username. What's the username you have it? Samir admin. And the password here. I'm using the same password. What we use it. That's it, guys. So test it as it is. So first link service is ready, guys, everyone. So click on the create. So can you see here, first link service is ready. Click on the next one. Again, you have to create one more link service for the target. So use SQL DB, Azure SQL DB, guys. So provide the name here, guys. What's the name you want to give it? ls underscore SQL DB underscore sync, guys. So select the legacy because I don't want the, some changes to be made here at this point of time. So I'm selecting the Azure subscription, select the server name is same, but this time select the database as what? Target database. Previously, what we have created for the source database. Am I right, everyone? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
I'm using what's that? Samir admin and the password is as it is password. Click on the test connections. Click on the create. That's it, guys. Finished now, done. So select it here. This is fine now. This is fine. So select the source. I'm selecting the source data. That's it, guys. This is fine now. So, guys, two subscribe. There is nothing but two link services are ready. So, what is the next process you have, guys, everyone?
Pipeline.
So, I will create data set today. Okay, no problem. First of all, I'll create a pipeline. That means I wanted to create, okay, let's do one thing. Let's create a data set at the time of designing the pipeline. So can, because this exercise is very, okay, a big exercise. So I'll do one thing now. I will create directly the pipeline here. So select the pipeline, click on the new pipeline, provide here PL underscore, guys, SQL or else PL underscore incremental load. Incremental loading. That's it, guys. Okay. Fine, everyone. So I'm using it, guys. The first proceed or the first thing, it's ready. What is the first thing you have to do, guys, everyone? As per this, can you see here? I will design two lookup activities here. So I'll design two lookup activities. Can you see here? So I'm using it. Use lookup activity that looks up on on that lookup on what's it, guys?
Watermark.
No, course table.
Okay.
Course table. That is lookup on what? Course table. Course table is nothing but what? The course, whatever you have it, okay. And this will return you course table, or you can say guys source. Okay. So can you see here? To get what? Can you see here? To get what's it, guys? To get what's it? Max.
Record.
To get the max course ID. To get what's that? Max course ID. To get the max course ID. So I'm using the lookup first of all. Okay. So that's it, guys, to get the max course ID. So can you see here? Can you see here? And the second lookup I wanted to design it. This is the lookup one I can say. Okay. This is the lookup one. Second lookup activity. Use lookup activity that lookup on watermark table. That lookup on watermark table. And this will return what? What's that, guys? Can you see it? This will return what? Tell me now. Last. Very good. Processed
Date.
date or time, whatever, or the value, whatever you want. Okay. Okay, guys. So can you see here? So use lookup that looks up on watermark table. That is nothing but to return, and this will return the max. That is what is it? It returns the last processed value. Can you see here? So can you see here? I'm designing two lookup activities, guys. Come back, everyone. Guys, so first of all, I'm using two lookup. First of all, lookup. So I'm using pulling in. Can you see here, everyone? Two lookups I'm using it. But now what is that you wanted to do is just rename this, everyone. Guys, everyone. Okay. Guys, everyone. Rename this. So I'm using what? LKP. LKP. What's that? Get max underscore course ID. That means this lookup is designed. That purpose itself I'm writing for the lookup as a name. Okay, guys, everyone. This lookup is designed for what? Getting the max course ID. Everyone? Yes, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
the
sir.
next one. Next lookup, I am designing it. Come here. So here I'll use what's it? Why
Last.
I'm designing the second lookup? LKP on, yeah, tell me, ma. Watermark, every, to get what?
Last processing value.
LPV. So is this fine? The two lookups are designed. That's it, guys. Based on this, I'll move further with the process. Okay. So first of all, put the control here. Go to the settings tab. You don't have a data set right now. So in this, can you see? So on this particular, lookup, you have to look up on which table, guys? On which table you have to look up, guys, everyone?
Course.
Course. And course table is available in which database? Source. Am I right?
Source.
Yes.
Source. Yeah. So just click on this new SQL. Select it here, Azure. And now use it here. SQL. Sorry, guys. DS underscore. So I'm creating a data set. This data set will points to the course table, which is there into the source database. Am I right? Yeah. So DS underscore get max course, guys, get max course ID. Get max course ID, everyone. Okay. Get max course ID. From which table here? From the table called what? Course. That's the only thing it means. Okay. So select the corresponding link service. So you have the SQL DB and what is the data set? Course. Am I right now? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You select it as it is. Click OK. But now do one thing. Now write it down the customize SQL query to get that max course ID. So can you see here? So use the use query option and select the radio button called query here. So can you see here? The moment you select it here, you can write the add dynamic contents and write it in the proper manner here. What's it? Tell me now. So what is the statement we require to write it to extract the max course ID? Guys, everyone. Select. Tell me now.
Max.
Select.
Max.
Select what's that?
Max function.
Max is what? Max is a function, na? I mean,
Yeah.
course underscore ID.
From table.
Yeah, from table. But whatever the values extracted that I wanted to create and
Add.
store into another table. So I'm using, sorry, another column. So I'm using max. What's the name? Max underscore CID. Max underscore what's that I want? Tell me now. CID. CID means what?
Column ID.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. So from now, from what?
Course.
Course table. That's it, guys. Finished now. Okay now. Click on OK. That's it, guys. So here you have it. You want to test it, whether your query is working or not. You can test it here, everyone. Test it. So is working, guys, everyone? It's
Yes.
working, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. It's working now. That's it now. So that's it now. Can you see here? This is ready now. So you leave it as it is. So select it here. So can you see here? The second one. So second one, click on the settings, guys. So already you have created one data set for the to get the max course ID. But here, can you use this data set? Can you use this data set, guys? The naming that is convention is not basically generic. Does it has a generic one? Generic means repeatedly used, guys. Generic means what? Everyone? Repeatedly used. Can we use it for the watermark now? No, na?
No.
So I'm just creating a new one. So just click on this. So use it here, SQLDB, everyone. Select the Azure SQLDB. So I'm using it twice. DS underscore, tell me now. So guys, can you see? Get guys, LPV, get last processed value, or else I'll write it more briefly. Get LPV from what, which table, guys? Tell me now. Watermark. Am I right? Select it here. Sorry, this is also from the source database only. So select it here, table. Which table you want? Tell me now. Guys, which table you want to select it now? Watermark. So click on OK. After selecting it here, again, we have to write it the customized query here. If not, you cannot, you don't need to select there. Directly, you can write it customized query here. So it makes no difference. So you can do it either ways. So guys, I'm using it. Can you see here? I'm writing it. You can type it here directly, ma. You can type it directly here. But if you want, you can just write it here. Okay, what is that? Select star from, tell me now, select a star from what's that? Watermark. Select a star from watermark where table underscore name is equal to, tell me now, what is it you have it? Course,
Course.
no? Very good.
And
That's it. Okay, now. And you can leave it semicolon, need not, it's optional to use semicolon. So see whether this query is working or not. Course value is what? 0, na? Is it working, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it. It's working, guys. Okay.
Sir,
So
we have to take the entire data or the max only.
max only. No, so here the LPV you have to get it. LPV is zero. Na? See, I have created two lookups. One lookup to get the max course ID.
Yeah.
Another lookup to get the LPV, last process 12. Getting
Yeah.
my point?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
And in
Both of them,
LPV.
so LP, so for both of them, I've created different data sets here.
Okay. Okay.
But you can see, guys, what I am telling you, this standard is not a you not take this was another granted procedure. In sometimes in the real time when you work, sometimes your manager or your client or your the other team wants you to reduce the number of data sets. At the time you will have to write this commands, whatever I'm writing it now, select a star from watermark. Okay, whatever I'm writing it, you have to adjust it in one table itself. That means you have to create one generic data set which will work for both of it. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
These are techniques you have to follow it. Why I'm telling you so elaboratedly? Because you're practicing it right now. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's it now, everyone. So okay, here you have it again. So I'm doing it, guys. So this is done now. So once the lookup is done, the lookup can you see here? The lookup returns the output in which format? Tell me now, everyone. JSON. So I'll get the output of the lookups. Fine, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Successfully we got it, guys, everyone. So just to see the output here, check it here. Tell me now. What is it? You have it. First rows max CID. Hmm? So this is the output from which is it?
See, course.
Yeah, this is from the course table now. So copy this. Now just paste it here. I'm making a note of it. This is the output. Okay, guys, everyone. Hello. Now the next one, output of what? Watermark. Copy only the first, because we are going to further provide the parameters here. Am I right? For that, I'm making a note here. Hmm? Guys, you can make the changes as per your fine sense of judgment. This procedure is not constant. Getting my point, everyone? If you wanted to apply your own sense of judgment, you can just do it. That's not a problem, because this can be achieved using multiple ways. Okay, so guys, that's it now. It's done now. So come the next one. Next one, what is it? You have it? Tell me now. Next one, go ahead and what? Copy. Use the copy activity. Can you see it? Now you must be getting it out. Why? I've already written the stored procedure, but why I'm not using it? Hello, can you tell me, everyone? Are you there, guys? Do you follow the procedure or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So my question is that, everyone, my question is that why I'm using the copy activity now?
To
Because,
store the data.
so because I'll tell you, because first of all, I wanted to carry out the copy. Then later on, I will update the LPV. Getting my point? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
after the copy only, we have to update the LPV, na?
Yes, sir.
Or before the copy, will you update the LPV?
After.
After.
After the copying. That's the reason I'm using the copy activity. Now, as it is, map it. No, change in this. Map it here. Select the copy activity. Configure the source here. You don't have any source data set again. So source is what? So create it. But generally in the real time, more data sets are not recommended for, you can say basically it is a place where, or it is a, methodology where, the data engineer has to show your ability to prove the work. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So less number of data sets should be there. We should create one data set which should be used in a generic instance. Okay. So that's it now. Anyways, I'm using it. The first one is the source DB. So anyways, the source DB is SQL. I'm writing it. Select it here, everyone. Now write it down, everyone. Can you see it? Use what? DS underscore source. Am I right? Fine, everyone. Select the link service here. Select the data table here. Don't take any table now. Course table is there, but I don't want to take it. Leave it as it is. Click OK. Why I have not taken, guys? I wanted to write the customized SQL query here. Write it here. Everyone, write it down. What's it? Tell me now. Everyone, select the Hama. Following or not, everyone? Select the star from
Course where max
yeah.
CID equals to
Yes,
that lookup value.
exactly where course underscore ID.
C,
Can you see it?
is it ID or CID?
It's ID.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yes, sir. Got it, got it.
ID
Yeah,
greater than
lookup value.
0. Am I right? Course ID greater than 0, then select it. Now, am I right?
Okay.
Yes.
That means what? That means what? Here, these all records are greater than 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
That's the reason I've written it. Select those records where greater than 0. Where course ID is greater than 0. 0 means don't do the copy. Am I right?
Uh-huh.
0 means don't carry out the copy activity. That's the only thing it means, now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Guys, so do one thing now. So click on OK. Guys, as you people should not be confused. That's the reason I'm dividing the case studies into parts. The lengthy case studies. So I want every one of you to follow this. If you are not following, please let me know. We'll do some changes here. Okay. So that's it, guys. So now here you have it, guys, everyone. So can you see it? So anyways, can you see it? That's it, guys. Here, this is done now, everyone. So what is the next one you have it? Tell me now.
Stored
So
to
sync.
sync.
Sync. First it fill this stored, will link it later. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now you here a sync one, create a new data set for the syncs. What is the sync data set you have it? SQL. Sorry. Select the Azure SQL. Use it here. And now provide the name. Guys, DS underscore target DB. So select the sync here. So here you can use directly write the table here because you don't have any table right now. So use DBO. DBO is what? Default schema, na? So STG underscore what should I want? Tell me now. Course. You have any table? No table is there. Select it here as it is. Click on OK. Okay, guys, everyone. So is ready now?
Yes, sir.
So copy activity is ready now. Once loading is completed, guys, once loading is completed, what is it you have to do? Update the, this guys, update, what is it, guys? Update the last process values. For that, I have to use what? Stored procedure activity. Write it down. Stored, like the stored procedure activity. Select it here as it is, everyone. Guys, everyone. So can you see it? ESP for what is that? Update LPV. Fine. I'm going well, guys, everyone. Please.
Yes, sir.
So that's it now. Here you have it. Update LPV. That's it. Click on the settings, guys, everyone. And select the link service where it is created, guys, everyone. It is created in the source or target database. Source database or target database? Huh?
Source.
Guys, if people are not interested, I'll wind up the class.
Source DB.
Yeah, source DB to select the link service for the source. And what's the procedure you have it, guys, everyone? USP underscore watermark. Am I right? Is this
Yes,
the
sir.
same procedure? Just go and check here. Create, what's that you have it, can you see? Procedure USP underscore watermark. Yes, now? Fine. Select the same. That's it, guys. Can you see? So that's it, guys. Can you see? Now, do you have parameters here? Check, everyone. Do you have parameters?
Yes.
At the rate
Yes.
LPV and at the rate table. Two parameters are there. Am I right?
Yes.
Select it here, everyone. And now click on the import parameters. Now the parameters are, guys, imported. So this is working slow. Need not worry on this. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's it now. Yeah. Now, what is it you have to do? Tell me now. Can you give it manually or you want to dynamically give this?
Dynamic.
Dynamically.
Dynamically. So just put the control here. Add dynamic contents. Or return LPV. Click on this and now give it here. How to write it? Activity of. What's
Lookup.
that your?
Lookup get max scores. No. Other one.
Course
Lookup
ID, na?
one.
Get what's that? Get max course ID only, na? Yeah. Activity called get max course ID. Output. Am I right? Output dot. Finish here. Output dot. That means
Value.
go to output. Now go to the first row. Am I right? First row. So use the first row, guys. Then dot. What is it I want to tell me now? Max CAD.
Max CID.
Fine now?
Yes, sir.
That's it, guys. Okay. That's fine. So LPV value is assigned with the max value here. Okay. So next, what's the bit again? Table. So put the control here. That is that is nothing but last processed value you have it. Okay, guys. So put the control here. Add dynamic contents here. Table. So what is it you have to tell me now? From which activity, everyone?
Course ID.
So here you have to select what? Tell me now. Same, but watermark you have to select it. Okay. Watermark output. Okay. LKP watermark output dot. Output dot. Tell me now, guys. Output dot.
Table name.
Go here. First row.
First row dot table.
Table name. Okay now.
Yeah.
Use the first row. That is the reason I have copied it. First row dot. Select the table name. That's it, guys. Okay. Finish now. Done. If now that everything is done, guys, finished. Simply you require to debug. You can do it. But now, everyone, just a minute. If now there is a question, there is an interview question I can tell you guys for everyone. It's an okay. Almost all. They will ask you in every almost all that good technical interviews, guys. That is nothing but how do you write here? Can you see here? How do you write? Just open this data set. So just open this source now. Open this.
Edit.
System. This is link services. This is okay. Here you have it. Data set is there. Open this. Anyways, you have it. Get here. Okay. I'll go to this, select it here. Now, this is a question, everyone. Can you see here? Everyone, this is the question. The question might be, how can you write select a star from course where course underscore ID greater than 0? How can you write it more dynamically if somebody asks you definitely a question? How do you see it, guys? Tell me now.
Lookup activity max value we can take and put up there
Uh,
greater than
Yes,
that.
exactly. The other way is that one. Okay, guys. Yes, everyone.
Yes.
So yeah, the same. We can write it dynamically in the same way. That's it. Okay. So that is the one way we have it. So anyways, this is the thing which I wanted to tell you here. Let's debug now. Let's debug it. Let's see. So here you have it. It's processing, guys. Just wait, everyone. Okay, wait. Everyone, it's processing. Just refresh this. Cancel. Wait here, guys. It will execute. Just everyone. Yes, guys. So it says what's that? Failure. Why failed? Copy activity is failed. What is the issue? Can you just go and check here, guys? Everyone.
Out, output.
Sync. Sync you're talking about.
No, sir. I was saying like we can see the like error message there. Yeah, in the failed one. Failed happened due to sync side.
Ah,
Deliver data operation failed.
sync side issue. Okay. There is no
Hmm.
table available now.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. You have to create a separate table in the sync system. As we haven't created, I'm using the auto create. That was the reason for failure, nothing else. See here, everything is process successfully done. So do one thing now, go to the source. Now, before we have tested the watermark table, the LPV was 0 now. Now just test it here. What's the LPV now? It's updated or not?
Yes.
It's updated. Target, select the table here. STG. Okay, right? Okay, everyone. Got it?
Yes.
Now, again, what you can do it here, you can add some more rows here. Okay. For incremental load. Rows are affected here. Now select the star from this one. How many rows are there, guys? Everyone? Tell me here.
5. 5.
5. So again, rerun the process.
Sir, this is initial one or incremental one? Like,
Incremental, it's incremental.
but we are again overwriting entire data, correct?
Yes, yes.
So
Because
it
we have
is in.
used the auto create table now. That's the reason it will overwrite.
Okay.
But it will show you, see, it will show you. Separately, it will show you.
No, sir, but it is like overriding, na? Like we are not.
Obviously, yes. So here, can you see? I'm rerunning it. Now see here. First time, 1, 2, 3 now.
Hmm.
Again, it's recopying it because you have used the auto create table.
Okay.
It's not overwriting.
Okay. Appending the data, but old data is also there.
Yes,
Like,
yes. Okay. So, anyways, this is the way you have it, guys, everyone. So that's it for the day now. And I'm just winding up for the day. So tomorrow we'll continue with the new topic, another thing. Okay, guys. So that's
sure.
it. Thank you, everyone. Ending the
Thank you.
session.